as we quickly approach 7 years since Superstorm Sandy wreaked havoc on the LIRR, the East River tunnels, and on many lines here in Long Beach. The MTA says it has made some significant progress to harden its infrastructure, especially on the Long Beach branch. Despite this, some commuters tell me they're not too confident that any of those upgrades would be able to withstand another storm as powerful as Sandy.
I'm not too sure, but I hope they are be prepared.
You can only try, and they're trying.
The LIRR says major work is now complete on the Long Beach line, where the railroad has rebuilt and elevated 3 electrical substations, restored damaged signal components, and rehabilitated the Reckley Bridge that connects Long Beach and Island Park. But on the flip side, other projects are far from completion. Amtrak, which owns the East River tunnels, said this month it does not expect to have a design phase to repair the tunnels complete until February of 2021. The East River tunnels are used primarily by the LIRR, and they were inundated with 14 million gallons of salt water during Sandy. And while many commuters tell me they've been pleased with how the Long Beach branch has been able to bounce back after Sandy, they hope their lives will never again be disrupted by a destructive storm.
I saw my car do a 360 and a nosedive.
I didn't lose my part of the place, but my sister, she lost everything downstairs.
In Long Beach, Ron Lee, FiOS 1 News.